uyo kabiro morokio monene Joseph Makori nigo bono akwanire hengana yugo sambo gwechi skuru iyo gandrete konekiwa imeyensi ya Kenya hasate ebire buna niga konekiwa kubwatekana no kuboro kwebirango byo kwena na chimbwa chingia uchi asabarokiwa ka ukona sensemo ya Kenya igotoka sensemo ye bunge abo machoge bora bwe county ya Kisii. Makori niga mentire gote babuna obutumekiwa mariogo yugo tindi asegati abarokiwa nabo igo abayibori bonsi gotachamo na kukorora abana babo asebono kwa ukuboro gwechimbwa chingia negati yebikore biri bikorera abarokiwa gosamba chiskuru muri kita Polinari Sakama na make
chinga kigati chiskuru imeyense ya Kenya chigenderete konekiwa kuya nigo retired senior principal Joseph Makori kwanerigati birenga biri bikorera abarokio gusamba chiskuru asate biri bunegati yekerenge kanene no kubura gwe discipline egati abarokiwa
chiskuru chitu chabere chigosamba na abana naende wondanya attribute with a variety of reasons. Ekemo very major is indiscipline. I can say indiscipline is from society. Ekiagara ekerenko give some kind of comparison as a society akadene abono. Egendo tu abwate kale into a corrective responsibility as a society to discipline abana. Hii aruro abono. Disciplining our children in the society are very individual. Yakire sa Bible. So Bible yende usene ibana nyoro mwana ndoko genda bube. Jete yo bakomogora because Bible iworera isi sana kuiro muhimu eneibe iko team.
Boigo gutabwatira negati ya Bible bonsi asokolera abana babo no kubuneka gwechinka negati yekerenga kende
absent parenting ina yegendo kende kyabiri unoise kugenda wa chiskuru bono iga yokonyora nga kera abana bakoro na barangiriwa class conferences abana baro abantu baro abange nabangina nakomaire nga discipline in most cases abana mbatagete the figure fathers in their homes abana abange banka babwate bari with the broken homes for example mbabwate ndoko can finish the businesses in their homes ekero mwana gwatani finish the business for example abu atange nyinge esabo chikonye explode ne school
obo tumekibwa mariogo yo gutindia buna marwa nenya sore boigo nigo buguchangira borokigo bari bagutumeka gusamba chiskuru
igero school ya 300 yani ya 3000 kids abana barasambe school mbawe 50. The rest of the children na bana bantu bako bakohast into the system because of what? Peer pressure. Abantu basambe school bari 20 na 20 aba these are co-addicts benya sole bitumbatu
erekweneke bune bikole bige byugusamba go chiskuru ngo kyabire ebinabigatiye bintu bibwenerate kurigererigwa buna gutumanya makori
our programs che school the cultural practices buna bono oral literature chagasomi kukala abana bamanyimika ne menge nedakere koba emphasized in school. These drugs nakada yale goja with a way yoko ensure that these drugs are controlled in the villages. The administrations from the grassroots bare koba abantu bakon ba change systems yoko monitor maliyogaya abana bare ko very school. Again the mentorship getakire koba very progressive na ende getakire ko korua with the seriousness it deserves. Elinde abana bachikumanyanga gusamba kubuguri kibiriti obyo negendekebe
ko reporteri getaseni Gensoko TV Nchete tana Polinari Sakama.